Hey everybody, Frank here. I just want to tell you about a tool that I've been using now, and we're going, oh goodness, we're 3.5 years into using this, and you've probably heard of it if you're in real estate. It's called Propstream. We have a link, completecomps.com. So if you go to completecomps.com, it'll take you to a Propstream page where you can sign up for a 7-day trial. And we have been using it a ton. I mean, we literally use this tool practically every day and have for 3.5 years. It's that good. Primarily, we use it for comps. We use it for valuation. It's great for seeing public records properties. We use it for MLS properties. Even in markets where they're non-disclosure states, it'll at least give you ideas on valuation. So we've been able to use this thing in multiple states and multiple markets, and it's worked out really well. We also use it for generating lists for leads, and you can do some list stacking in there, and it actually works pretty well for that. We have been able to get contracts from that. And you might think, well, other people might be using it too. It's okay, because as long as you follow up more than everyone else, you'll get the deal. So they're there to be gotten. There's deals to be had. You can run your comps. I just can't say enough about it. It's really been one of my favorite tools we've used now. Again, 3.5 years plus using it. Just been a great tool. So kudos to the people at Propstream. Invite you to check it out, completecomps.com. And you'll love it. And by the way, if you go to my YouTube page, you'll also see there where I've got training videos just showing you how we do it every day. So hopefully that helps. Thanks.